Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to replace the transmission oil filter and pan on a 2004 Grand Cherokee 4-liter with the 4-speed, not the 5-speed. For this job, you're going to need transmission fluid. It calls for 4 quarts. Always have a couple extra because it can vary. We're going to replace the pan with this Dorman unit that has a drain plug built into it so you can service your transmission later. A replacement transmission filter. You're going to need a ratchet with a T25 to get the filter off. And you're going to need a ratchet, a 13 mil, and an extension to 13 mils to get the pan bolts out. And then you'll also need a 14 mil wrench and socket to get an exhaust hanger off. Okay, you're going to want to jack up your Jeep. Find a good, strong, sturdy spot to put the jack on. Jack it up, and once it's in the air, put jack stands under the frame. All right, there's 14 bolts in this pan. Remove the ones along both sides, and then we'll loosen up the ends and start letting the fluid drain out. On the passenger side, you're gonna have a bolt that is hidden by an exhaust mount. It bolts to the transmission. It is a 14 millimeter nut on the bottom and a 14 mil bolt that goes through. Once you get those off, take the bolt out, and the mount will actually just push off the end. Once the pan's out of the way, you have 2 T25 screws holding the filter to the transmission. The filter will want to fall just like that. Once it's back on the ground, pop the hood, pull your transmission. This one says engine oil. Pull your transmission dipstick out. Grab a funnel, slide it in there, and then add 4 quarts of fluid. Once you got your 4 quarts added, fire it up, and you pull your dipstick out. I usually give it a wipe to make sure that you're checking it while it's running. And it is a touch low, so we need to add probably about a half a quart. All right, so there you go, guys. The transmission pan and filter are done. Fluid is set to the proper level. So again, thanks for watching. Check out one of these awesome videos to my right. Hit the subscribe button on the left, and we'll see you next time.